Hello friend, welcome back to Total Maintenance YouTube channel.
This will be just quick video, maybe specs, maybe hints, tips, whatever you wanna call it, on the second gen, in this case 2009 Toyota Prius. As everybody knows, almost everybody knows, this vehicle has a hybrid transaxle. It's not an automatic transmission, really, it's a hybrid transaxle. And that also has a fluid and should be also serviced.
Well, I don't think so. I heard they are sealed for life, right?
No, they are not sealed for life, and they are actually very easy to service. What I mean service? Well, replace the fluid. So here we are. Everybody can see the direction. Here we are underneath it, and I already started. Right from there I will give you good advice. Don't think that this 24mm is related to the hybrid transaxle fluid. It's not. If you open it, you will be thinking, hey, why this fluid is so thin and pinkish looking. Well, that's because there will be coolant coming out. So, where is my filler? It's up there, do you see it? And that was 24mm bolt. I will show it to you. And here, this one, the drain, was not 24mm. It was hex number 10. Though this is the hex number 10, this is the 24mm. Let me turn those babies upside down. So, as you know, all of you know, this is the 24mm with this crush washer. Here is the drain, and the drain was the hex 10, but look, it has a magnet, and that actually will confirm that this services should be done. Do you see even here? Look at it. Very, very, very fine metal shavings. Just not much, just a little bit, but they are present here.
Now, just to give you in perspective, this vehicle has 100,000 miles only so far in the year 2020. So it's what, 11 years old, so it's not being driven too much. And it has an original owner and it was never replaced. So you can see how many shavings this vehicle collected after 100,000. Let's go look on the shape or condition of the fluid.
I have ready that fluid for your inspection or your expertise, sharing your opinion and so on. I will say not so bad. Obviously it should be bright red and it's dark brown, but yeah, I think this did good considering it's 100,000 miles later.
How much fluid this service takes? Well, the owner's manual says 3.8 quarts of Toyota WS fluid. Of course, I would love to film the whole procedure for you, but not every day I have a luxury of so much time, extra time, to film it for you. So this was collecting for a while. Let's see if this will confirm that owner's manual's numbers.
I spilled only tiny bit of it when it fell off that funnel, and ta-da! Let's look. On the left are quarts, on the right liters. What you will say? 3.9? That's pretty close, isn't it?
So if you want to do this maintenance service for your Gen 2 by yourself, it's pretty accessible, easy, and now you have confirmation. you can really buy only 4 quarts of that WS and you will be able to perfectly fill it up back. For newbies, what is WS? Well, this is the latest Toyota design. You buy it in quarts. It's pretty expensive, but it doesn't matter. I will always recommend just stick with it and put 4 of these back in that hybrid transaxle. And that's all from me today. I gotta get going because I have few more services on it and I have only like hour left. So I hope you find this helpful and please be subscribed. Have a nice weekend, my friend.